Temperatures are heating up, summer's right around the corner, and you know what that means. It's pool season. I'm joined with Kelly McClanahan. She's the aquatics supervisor for Greeley Recreation. She's going to give us all the information we need to know to enjoy the pools this season. Kelly, thanks for being here today.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming out.
Yeah, so let's start with first things first. When do the pools open?
Well, as you can see, the weather's great. The pools are opening Saturday, May 25th. Both Discovery Bay and Centennial Pool, that's their opening weekend. Discovery Bay will be open 12 to 6 Monday through Sundays, and Centennial Pool will be open 1 to 6 Monday through Friday and 12 to 6 Saturday and Sunday.
Fabulous. Does that include the splash parks?
That does include our free splash parks. I'm glad you asked. Those hours for the splash parks are actually 11 a.m. to 7 p.m., and those are both free admission.
Perfect. Oh, speaking of admission, what is a punch pass, and how might that save some folks some money?
Yeah, your best bang for your buck for our facilities is absolutely to pick up the punch passes. So you can get the punch passes at either the Greeley Rec Center, the Family Funplex, or at the outdoor pools. You can get a 10 visit at either the Discovery Bay or Funplex. Adults is for $40, and youth and senior are only $32.
Okay, so we'll need to go into a facility to get that punch pass.
That is correct. Either Family Funplex, Greeley Rec Center, or either the outdoor pools.
Alrighty. What events do y'all have in store this season?
We have a pretty exciting lineup this summer. We know how hard it is for working adults to get their kids out to the pools between the hours of 12 to 5, and sometimes 6 is even a push for those working families. So on Wednesday nights at Discovery Bay, we will stay open until 8 o'clock at night. At Centennial Pool, it is on Thursday nights till 8 o'clock at night. So bring your family out, bring a picnic dinner, bring your blanket for the grass, and just have a good time until 8 o'clock at night at either Discovery Bay on Wednesday nights and Centennial on Thursday nights.
Wow, that is great. As somebody with a small child and I work full time, I would love the idea to get some of that energy out for her in the evening. She'll sleep really well at night, so that's a great benefit. What about this swim-in theater?
You know, we always love our swim-in theater. That's probably our highlight of the year. So this year we are hosting the swim-in theater at Centennial Pool on August 1st. That's kind of we decided August 1st because that's the week before the kids go back to school, so it's kind of our last little celebration for the summer. You can bring floats to the pools. You can bring dinner, picnic lunch. You can bring your blankets. We will have concessions. We usually have 2 food trucks. Concession stand will be open. We have a popcorn stand as well. All we ask is you don't bring anything in glass containers. That's all we ask. But tickets do go on sale. Those will go on sale in July, and so please get your tickets early before they sell out.
How do people get the tickets?
They can go to any of our facilities, Family Funplex, Greeley Rec Center, or the outdoor pools. Again, when those go on sale in July, we will advertise for it because they do sell out quick. Just to note, this year we are showing Ice Age, kind of like a fun little Ice Age. It's ice, and we're out here in the summertime, so we're doing Ice Age this year. And again, that's on August 1st here at Centennial Pool.
Alrighty, so get your punch pass and get your ticket to the swim-in theater at the facilities. Last question I've got for you today is, how about safety? What about swim lessons?
Yeah, that is our number one priority with aquatics, top to bottom. Safety, and especially in the summertime, families are taking their families are going and visiting lakes, reservoirs, and pools more often. So we want the whole family to be safe around the water. We want the children to know how to have swim lessons, and we also want the adults obviously be comfortable in the pool with their children, as well as help their children be comfortable. So we offer swim lessons from parent taught all the way up to adult swim lessons. Those are our group lessons. We also offer private swim lessons if somebody's looking for more of that one-on-one instruction. Those lessons will be offered Centennial Pool, Discovery Bay, as well as the Family Funplex.
Alrighty. Kelly, thanks so much for being here today. We appreciate your time.
Absolutely. Thank you for coming out. We'll hope to see you at the pool this summer.
Alrighty, folks. You heard it here from Kelly first. For more information on aquatics, visit GreeleyRec.com.